The Thermo Hog Pump. I've had many years of experience with the Moynos. We've had between the Moyno 8s and the Moyno 10s. And you replace them once a year. You constantly have to turn, you shut your recirc off to get more pressure. You open them up if you have too much pressure. If it's a brand new pump, you open them up and then you let it kind of like wear itself out. But with these hog pumps, I'm telling you right now, man, I have put 6 months to a year of 120 mil and 90 mil thermo, and I haven't yet to see deviation in quality and amount of thermo to put down. I haven't touched this speed since we've got the truck. I mean, if I want more pressure, it's right there. It doesn't fade. There's no lag on there at all. Whatever James did with this pump, he's done it right, because typically you send the Moyno in, you get a new one or they rebuild it. You could also pull a rotor and stator apart, do it yourself, but it's a pain in the ass. In this hog pump, you pull the bottom out, which I haven't done yet because these friggin' pumps won't break. You pull the bottom out inside the truck. You don't have to take it apart. Pull the lobes out, you put new lobes back in, it's gone to go. I mean, the pump is sound, and I would honestly put that next to a Moyno head to head, and be curious on how well it would work.